good Wyoming living, baby. Here's my girls. What's up? What's up, Onyx? What's up? Onyx, fancy. Yeah, y'all staying warm? Yeah, those are my pregnant mamas out here. Yeah, they are. Golly, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, it's cold out here. Let's not even get this twisted like it's not. It's cold. It's cold. It's all right. We got this mess covered though. You know what I'm saying? Ain't worry about it. One day at a time. Getting that work in. Whew. That'll work. Alright. Yeah. I don't know where y'all at. Y'all stay warm. It's gonna be alright. Literally just out here. Whew. Oh man, it is cold. Taking care of the goats, done take care of the chickens. Now, I don't know about you, we're about to get ourselves on inside and get warm. Hey, who opened up this pen? Hey, Colton. Colton? Hey, dude. What's up with this pen? Why is this chicken, the brooder coop open? Well, is he in there? Look, there's turkeys. Hey, turkeys, gobble, gobble, gobble. All right, whatever y'all doing, y'all stay warm, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all stay warm. It's your boy, I'm out.